technology help us get energy. Okay,
But teacher,
we said,
This is
I know, just
this
wait
in
and
electric
keep.
and this in the
Okay, wait,
electric.
Abdurrahman, just
I'm sorry.
wait. Okay, just wait.
Okay.
We talked about the wheels and axles here that are moving, and the mills
Yeah.
that are grind the grains into flour. Okay. Then we talked about the electricity in our home. We said that it is an easy way to have electricity and to work things with it. In the past, they take energy from the water and from the wind. Then we talked about the water mills that work because of the
Yeah,
moving
it will work
water.
from the water and make
Yes.
this.
So it's grind the grains too to make it a flour.
Yeah, it is make it the water is drying. The water, it is make it
Yeah.
drying and make this.
Yeah.
teacher, but this lesson it's easy. We make energy. The water make energy for the tailgate and they go up.
Yes, excellent, Heidi. Then we took the water sprinkler and we said how it is work also because of the
Yeah,
water. The kinetic energy in the water makes the
and
wheel
this
and
and
axle
go
of
up and
this
go from here.
wheel, yes, move, then the axle move, then the gear move, then those parts will move to water
Now
all
move,
the
and this
sides around the water sprinkler.
like this.
Okay?
The water move, and this is round,
Yes,
round,
it
round.
depends into water or into the kinetic energy inside the water.
And into water.
Teacher, like this
Into the
tool,
kinetic energy
like this
inside the
tool,
water. Okay?
like this tool, we make water and shoot it again. We go up and make this one circle again.
Yes, yes. Because
Need air.
the kinetic energy inside the water makes the gears or the wheels here to move. So the kinetic energy, okay, give the wheel energy to move, give the other wheel energy to move, then it sprinkle the water on the grass around it. Okay. What else? We talked about the windmills, okay, and we said that it do work to take the water from down to the tank or to our houses, okay, or homes. We said then that water mills and windmills are, listen to me carefully here, water mills and windmills are used in the past and we still use it today, but we cannot
Yeah.
take all the power from it. Okay, the most power we cannot take it only from the water mills and the wind. No, because it don't supply for us more power, okay? It supply for us just a little power. So we need more and more power, okay? So they decide to discover a new things, okay, to take the power for the electricity from it, okay? So when I ask you, did the water mills or the wind supply for us the most power that we need? Is it true or not true? No, it's not. It
I'm
don't
not.
supply for us all the power that we need. Okay, it don't supply for us. It
Okay.
give us just a little bit power. Okay, not too much power or the most power. Then we talked about the hydroelectric power dam, and we said that it depends into the water and the wheel. So it depends into the kinetic
Yeah,
energy inside the water.
make
Yes, it
and
depends
it is
into.
not make the
Okay, let's revise together. I don't need the water. I need the kinetic
the fish.
energy inside the water. I need what? The
Yeah,
kinetic
it
energy
is.
inside the water. And here is
Yeah, it is closed and open and make it from this and
energy.
and make it for us.
Yes, okay, just wait for me. Okay, wait. Here the water has, okay, potential energy in the server, okay? It has a
Yeah.
potential energy. Then when I open the door, it will, okay, have kinetic energy. The kinetic energy in the water will make the turbine to move. Then the turbine will drive the generator.
Yeah.
So carefully listen. The kinetic energy will make the wheel
Teacher,
or the
what
turbine.
is energy?
Kinetic energy, the moving things, anything that it is moving means it has kinetic energy inside it. Okay? So because the water is moving, it has kinetic energy inside it. So the kinetic energy will make the turbine to move or the wheel and axle to turn. Then when wheel and axle turn because of the kinetic energy, it will make the generator to drive. When generator drives, it will make for us the electricity, okay? Okay? So when I tell you the water give us electricity, true or not true?
True. True.
True.
So I said no. So if the water is here, water has a potential energy. Can I take any electricity or any kinetic, any energy from the potential energy?
Wrong, wrong,
No.
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 wrong,
So
wrong.
I don't need to say that water give us electricity. No. The kinetic energy inside the water makes the generators to drive, so it make for us the electricity, not the water. I can have water with a potential energy. Okay? I don't need the water. I need the kinetic energy inside the water. Okay? That's how you should know. Okay, then we talked about how we burn the coal and the natural gases and the oil, and we turn it also the smoke that
Yeah.
comes.
From
Okay?
from this hot, it make the water vibrate and
Heat,
make this
yes.
rest and to go from here and it is make this round and make it.
Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman. So we heat the coal or the gases or the natural sources, okay, that we take it from the nature, we heat it. The hot that comes out from the coal will make the water to become hot. Then it boil, then it comes out of from it the steam or the gas, okay, the steam or water vapor. We put the steam inside a tubes, then pressed it, okay, pressed it.
To this.
The steam that comes out from the water will make the turbine and wheel and axle to move. Then wheel and axle, when it is moved, it will drive the generator. Okay, it will drive the generator. Then we can take the electricity from the generator to our homes. Okay, that's how also the burning coal and oil or whatever give us electricity. Now I can say that wind and water are renewable, okay, energy. How I can take the energy inside them and I can make work by using the wind and the water, right? So it is an renewable energy, okay? Or sources that we can use it more and more and more. It couldn't finish. Can the water finish?
No.
No. Can the wind finish?
No.
No. So I can use it all times, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we talked about how the steams and the smoke that comes out from the factories and our cars is
So like this,
pollute.
it is
Yes.
make this and this drowned and make it, and this from this it is make
Yes,
love.
just wait. I'm talking now about how the smoke that comes from burning coal or the natural sources uh, pollute our air, making pollution in our air. Okay, now they are decided to make something new to take the electricity from it. Okay, so let's see and let's continue. What are the things that they decide to make it, okay, or they discover it, okay, or they need to solve the pollution, okay, by using it? What is it? The solar
Cells.
yes,
The
the
solar,
solar cells or solar
solar cells.
panels.
It is
Okay, just listen, Abdurrahman.
of the light.
Okay, we called it solar panels, okay? Solar panels. From where we take the solar energy in those panels? From the solar energy. It has panels, okay? Can you see the panels? I will draw it for you. Just wait. Now, this is solar energy that we take it from the sun, okay? When the sun shines, I can take the energy from it in those kind of solar panels. Here it is, one solar panel, okay? Can you see? There is one panel. This is one panel of the solar panel. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have too many solar panels here, okay?
Teacher, what is solar panel?
Here it is. This blue one called solar panel. Okay? This blue one called solar panel. Okay, solar panels. This blue one, can you see that I just put all sides of it with red?
Yes.
Yes, this is called solar panel. I take the solar energy from the sun, okay? Those solar panels take the rays from the sun and make it into a power or energy so we can use it. Okay, it turns the rays from the sun into energy. So I can take this energy to make a power to drive the generators and to make the electricity. What did the solar panels have inside it? It has solar cells. So each solar panel will have inside it solar cells. Can you see those white points, the small one?
Yeah.
Yes, those called solar cells, a small cells in the solar panel. So this line only will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells. Each panel in this picture will have 5 cells, okay, in each row like this. In each row we'll have 5, okay? Yes? Yes, Ibrahim?
2 multiply 5.
Yes, too much cells it will be. In one panel, let's count together. Here is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 in 5. 5 multiply 12 equal what?
5 multiply 12.
Yes, 5 multiply 12.
5 multiply 12. 60.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, Ragad. 60. So this solar panel will have 60 cells inside it. Each panel here will have 60 cells inside it. Okay? Did you get it? Now they decide to use the solar panels to take the rays from the sun or the light from the sun and change the rays or the light from the sun into a power. So the power will drive the generators. So the generators will make.
Teacher, your sound is cutting.
Are you with me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Your sound is cutting.
Now again. Yes, Lee. Yes, Lee.
It's raining.
Teacher, mute all of us.
You need to mute it.
Yes, all of us.
No, teacher.
I
Yeah.
need just to say.
to finish the? How many minutes to finish the? Please.
We still, okay. Just keep with me, Lynn. I need just to see that. Are you?
Okay. Teacher,
Do you understand me or not? Okay. I need just you to.
Teacher, the
Okay, I know. Keep with me. Keep with me. Okay. We are now in solar panels.
Yes.
So, hi,
Teacher.
yes. Do you have any question?
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
Teacher, today is raining.
Yes, is it a question now, Heidi? I need you. When you need to talk with me, just talk about the lesson, okay? Don't talk about anything around you. Keep with me in this lesson. So I have here a solar panels, okay? Here it is, the solar panels, okay?
Solar panels.
We take the energy in solar panels from where?
Energy of the solar system.
Okay, yes, excellent. So we take the energy in the solar panels from where?
Because from the solar system. From the sun.
Excellent, Raghat. She's a superstar. You are my princess. From the sun, I said from you, we take the energy in the solar panel from the sun. So we take the sun rays, okay? When sun rays, we take all the rays, the solar panels take all the rays from the sun that comes from the sun, okay? Inside its solar cells, okay? Then it turns all the sun rays into power. It turns the sun rays or the light that comes from the sun into power. Then we take this power to drive all the generators to make the electricity for us. Okay?
Okay.
So solar panels or solar system use energy from
The sun. Sun.
Why only Ragad again? I need all of you.
Also me.
Teacher, because her mom with her. Teacher, because her mom with her.
No. Ragad, she's focusing with me. Okay? Solar system take the energy from the sun. Okay? Excellent. Solar system take the energy from the sun. This is the first. This is the first thing. Okay, to have energy without any pollution. Can you see any pollution here in our air or in our environment?
Teacher.
Okay, are you listening? Can you see any pollution comes out from the solar system in our environment? No. So it is a clean resource to take the energy from it, okay? It's a clean source to take the energy from it. It doesn't pollute our environment or our air, okay? So this is the first solution to take energy without pollution. This is the first solution to take the energy without any pollution, okay? What are the second one? Also, they use the solar system. Okay, just wait a second, just 1 second, okay?
I said that there is some unhealthy. Teacher. Teacher. Teacher is mute.
Yes, teacher. Open your mic, teacher. Adam. Teacher, make the mic, teacher. Teacher, make the mic, teacher. Hey, hey.
Teacher, where are you?
Teacher, please.
I mean.
I will mute you all now.
No,
I
no,
need
no,
you
no,
to
no.
listen to me.
No.
So keep silent, please.
No.
Keep
Okay.
silent. I don't need to hear anyone.
Yes. Okay, teacher. No.
Okay, now we use kind of solar energy as a tube here in the roof of the houses, okay? They put what? They put tubes. Can you see the tubes here?
Yeah.
Yes.
And put it here and put it here.
Yes, they put it where...
I said there is
All the thing work.
There is some in houses.
Yes,
I
this
said-
is kind of tubes. Listen to me carefully. This is a kind of tubes, okay, that they used it to
Like of the
heat.
light. Like
Yes,
of the
to
light in
heat.
the home.
Yes, just wait. To heat their water. So what happened? The sun shine on those tubes, okay? The sun will shine on those tubes that are in the roofs. So what will happen after the sunshine? Inside the tube, it contains water. It contains what?
And it is
Water.
make it
Just
hot.
wait, Abdurrahman. Okay, just wait. So sunshine in the tubes, and the tubes will contain inside it water. So it takes the energy from the sun, and the water will become hot. Okay, the hot water, after it become hot, it goes down to the containers that contains hot water, and then we will use it. Another cold water will go inside to the solar tubes too. Okay, the solar tubes will contain the tubes. The water will be inside the tubes. Okay, the tubes will be very hot because of what?
Because of the sun.
Because of the sun.
Because of sun.
Because sun is shining into it. So because of the sun, the tubes will be hot. Means the water will be
The water will just go here.
hot too.
Yeah.
Excellent. So the water will be hot too. After the water become hot, it will go down to the container, or it will go down or anywhere to the containers that contains hot water. Then we can use all the hot water in all ways that we need to use it. Okay, this is also, just wait. When I'm talking, just wait for me until I finish. So we can say we can use all the hot water in all our ways, okay, when we need it, because the solar tubes in the roofs that depends into the sun also. Hi, did you have any question?
Teacher,
No.
lean.
Yes, Lean.
No.
Yes.
Teacher, I say the sun and I say hot.
Yes, excellent. I need you to just to understand, okay? I need you to understand. So let's continue. This is a windmills, kind of windmills, and this one too are kinds of windmills. Okay, we use now and in the future also. Yes, this one is a windmills, and the other one is a windmills too. Okay, windmills use energy.
the wind.
Yes, we use the wind to take the energy to drive the generator to make the electricity. So, did we need the wind, or did we? Yes.
No. Anyone talking?
Okay, I will mute the
Hello.
mics.
It is the one that is
No,
made
no.
from here and make it round. And make
Hello.
the
Okay, now listen to me. We need the wind to take the energy from it, or the kinetic energy from it, to make power. So the power will drive the generator. So the generator will give us, or will make for us, the electricity. Those are kinds of windmills, and here is also one another kind of windmills. It depends into what? Depends into the blades. Here it is, the blade, one blade in here in this windmills, and here it is another plate, and here also one plate, two plate, three plate. So this windmill will have 3 plates, and this windmill will have 2 plates, but like a circle one. Did you know that one plate from this windmill is wider than a football field? Here it is, a football field. Can you see? This is the width of the football field, the width. One plate in this windmills or in the other windmills will be wider than a football field. Looks how it is wide. It is a huge plate. Okay, so what happened now? The meeting will end in 4 minutes, so if it is end, please enter it again to answer the questions. Okay, listen to me now. So 1 plate and 2 plates here, a huge plate. It turns, or it moves, because the wind, the kinetic energy inside the wind, make the plate move in this picture or in the other picture. So it moves in just one direction, or it moves in different direction. It moves in different direction. How? Let's see. It can move right to the right direction, and it could move left to the left direction. So what happened? It can move right, it can move left, it can move right, it can move left. Moving in different direction makes power, okay? Makes power inside the generators, okay? Then when the power reach the generator, it drive the generator, then the generator will have electricity, then the electricity will move in these wires to our homes, okay? Again, here it is, the windmills, okay? How the windmills make for us, or do for us, or give us the electricity. Not the windmills. Okay, now I have 1 plate, 2 plate, and 3 plate, okay? Those kind of blades are moving because of the wind. So wind can make the blades to move in right, and wind can make the blades to move in left. So it can move to the right, and it can move to the left, okay? It can move to this side, and it could move to the other side, okay? To the other side. Moving in different direction makes the, can you see here the circle that behind the windmills? Here is the circle. This circle contains the generator, okay? So moving in different direction because of the kinetic energy inside the wind, or because the wind energy will make the generator to move or to work, okay? The generator will work because the energy that it takes from the wind, okay? Then after generator work, it will supply for us, or it will make for us the electricity. The electricity will move in those wires or cables, okay? Then we can take it in our homes, okay? That's how the windmills work. Now, can I say for you, listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. The meeting, just wait. The meeting will end in less than 1 minute. In less than, can you listen?